Welcome to the Amazon rainforest, the beating green heart of our planet. Stretching across 9 South American countries, this vast jungle is home to mysteries, marvels, and millions of species still unknown to science. Today, we'll journey deep into the lungs of the Earth and uncover some of its most incredible secrets. The Amazon doesn't just get rain, it creates it. The trees release billions of tons of water vapor every day through a process called transpiration. This moisture rises, forms clouds, and falls back as rain, feeding the forest in a self-sustaining cycle so powerful it can even influence global weather. Hidden among the leaves are secrets that could save lives. Over 25% of modern medicines come from rainforest plants, and scientists believe less than 1% of Amazon species have even been studied. Who knows, the cure for cancer or Alzheimer's might still be growing out there, undiscovered. Often called the lungs of the Earth, the Amazon produces about 20% of the world's oxygen. But here's a twist: most of that oxygen is actually consumed within the forest itself. The true gift of the Amazon is how it stores vast amounts of carbon, slowing climate change. Home to an estimated 10% of all species on Earth, the Amazon is bursting with life. From the colorful toucans gliding between the trees, to the slow-moving sloth, and the stealthy jaguar. Every corner is alive with stories of survival. Scientists have discovered that trees in the Amazon can communicate. Through underground fungal networks, they share nutrients and warning signals, a system some call the Wood Wide Web. When one tree is attacked by insects, others can release chemicals to prepare for defense. Flowing 13,000 feet below the surface, there's a hidden river, the Hamza, running almost parallel to the Amazon River itself. It's as long as the Amazon and possibly just as ancient, but it moves silently underground, unknown until recently. Over 400 indigenous tribes call the Amazon home, many living in ways unchanged for centuries. Some have never had contact with the outside world. Their knowledge of plants, animals, and natural medicine is unmatched, a wisdom we're only beginning to understand. But the Amazon is in danger. Every minute, an area of rainforest larger than 3 football fields is lost to logging, mining, and agriculture. The consequences reach far beyond South America. It's a global crisis that affects climate, species, and future generations. Yet hope remains. Reforestation projects, protected reserves, and indigenous stewardship are helping restore balance. Every tree planted, every hectare protected, brings the forest and the planet one step closer to healing. The Amazon rainforest is more than a wilderness, it's a reminder of how connected we all are. Protecting it isn't just about saving trees, it's about preserving the heartbeat of our world. Join us in exploring more natural wonders, subscribe and be part of the movement to protect our planet's wild places.